alone, leave me not alone. Why am I alone when you know that you want me to? Am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another ready to go, ready to wear wig. As you guys can see, this wig is 100% glueless. I can remove this at any time and it is flawless. I didn't have to cut any layers, cut this at any different length. It came exactly like this. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure you keep on watching. You will absolutely love this unit. So let's get into the details on this unit. Thank you so much OQHAIR for sponsoring this video. And this was actually my first time ever working with this company, so I was excited to see what the tea was about. I see a lot of their videos on TikTok. So this is what you get in your package. We have some of our hair care things that we need to maintain our wig. Now onto the unit. You guys should be very familiar with these new M caps going around. They are hot, they're popping, and they are super convenient, y'all. This hair is already ready to go. You do not have to pluck, you do not have to bleach, and you do not even have to cut the lace. Like, y'all, super convenient, very easy, beginner friendly, and the spacing on this unit is crazy. It's a 9x6 and the lace is transparent. You can literally barely see it on my hand. But these are just some of the other features on the unit. We have removable combs on the ear and also on the nape, and these are kind of wishy-washy because they be falling out, so just be careful for the ones by the ears. But other than that, what I really like about the unit is that they have these curvatures by the ear, so it's really comfortable. You don't have to worry about it being bulky or just irritating your ear because it fits perfectly right where it needs to be. So now let's get into this installation. So I went ahead with my bronzer and just put that on my cap, and I also went ahead and put that on my lace just so it can blend nice and effortlessly and look really natural. So I definitely did not have to do pretty much anything to this unit, but when I first put it on my head, I was not gonna leave it like this. Y'all know I have to flatten my roots and everything. So I went ahead and did one side off the camera, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did it just with some hairspray and my hot comb on the other side. And this just helps it look more sleek and just natural to me. I don't know, everybody has a preference, but I like how this looks. So can y'all see like how it's already pre-plucked? The hairline was natural. It was given everything it needed to give. Another thing that I really loved about this unit, other than the hairline, it being 9x6, which made it super versatile, but you can see like the top of the hair is shorter than the rest of the hair. Y'all know, if y'all watch my other curly videos, sometimes I tend to cut layers just in the top so it can give like that diva cut type look. But with this, it looks really short, but once I put the mousse and the water and just clumped those curls together, it came together beautifully. Like, I just love how they cut the layers in this hair because I literally did not have to do anything to get it to look like this. I really enjoyed that. So I'll only be using one product to achieve these curls in addition to my water, but I get this question a lot, and people ask me, how do I keep my curls to stay formed? How do I achieve this nice coily look without having to finger coil my entire head with my own hands? Get you a Denman brush. I don't know what the difference is with other brushes, but Denman brushes do the work for you. It clumps the curls perfectly. It makes them look nice and healthy and just juicy. Stop using Y2 combs. Stop using these other brushes. I personally don't know what the difference is with these Denman brushes, but it does all the work for you when you use the right amount of mousse and when you use the right amount of water. It's like the perfect combination. So get you a Denman brush. I will have it linked down below for you to purchase directly. And that was not sponsored at all. That sounded really like sponsorship type talk, but no, for real. Like, a lot of people ask me how to get nice defined curls, and I just be like, girl, get you a Denman brush. But y'all be using these other things, and I don't know why y'all curls be looking frizzy and why they don't hold the curl the entire like week. It should be holding the curl the entire week. But another thing is the type of mousse you use. My go-to, if you watch my other videos, I kind of experiment with some other mousses, but my go-to is definitely the Lotta Body foaming lotion. It's not super heavy to where it makes your curls crunchy, but it's also not super lightweight to where your curls are not forming like this and not holding that curl. So get you a nice dimming brush and get you some good foaming lotion, and you'll be good. So I let my hair dry for about 10-15 minutes, and it wasn't drying as quickly as I needed it to, and I needed it to be somewhere. So I went ahead with my diffuser. I'll have it linked down below. Nothing really too special about it, but I'll still have it linked below. And I just went ahead with that. It took me about 8 minutes to get my hair completely dry, and I really liked how the curls was coming together. It made them even more coily and ready to pluck and pick out. So once I removed my lace band, I still didn't add any glue or anything to it, and look how great this looks. And it's removable, mind you. But I just went ahead with a wide tooth comb and picked out my curls so it can look nice and big. But I also did that over the course of a couple of minutes. I just wanted to show you guys the different like stages that you can wear your hair. This was the first one if you don't want it to be super big and you also want those curls to be more defined than just picking out all of the curls and making them super big. But this is the first look. I really like this look, but I like to have my hair more big and fluffy and wild-like, so I went ahead with my comb and plucked it out some more. And what's crazy is I don't even own a pick. This is literally all I had, and to say that I wear curly hair a lot, I really need to get a pick, because I'm sure these curls would have been even more popping if I had the right thing to pick them out with. But that's neither here nor there. It still came out great. And this is the second look. It's a little more wilder than the first one, but you can still see the nice defined curls at the end. But I'm extra, so guess what? We're gonna go ahead with that comb and comb it out some more. So I'm gonna do that, and then you guys are gonna see the final result of this unit. So once I finally got the wig to my desired fullness, this was the end result. I was super pleased, and clearly you can see I could not keep my hands out of this hair. It was so fluffy. I loved it. But it's still 100% glueless. I can remove this at night to maintain these curls. Super low maintenance. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next ones. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Baby, my